In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently mark a QuickBooks invoice as paid, a simple process that can be completed in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small business or working within a larger organization, keeping your finances in order using QuickBooks Online is a breeze when you know the right steps. Let's dive into the details so you can ensure your accounting tasks are up to date and maintain your records accurately. First, you'll want to make your way over to QuickBooks Online. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. You can either type the URL directly into the search bar or find it through a search engine. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button, which you'll find conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page. Now you'll need to type in your email and password. These are your credentials for QuickBooks. Make sure you enter them correctly. It's important to use the email and password associated with your QuickBooks account to avoid any login issues. After entering these details, press the Sign In button to access your account. With your account open, you will be greeted by the QuickBooks dashboard. Among the many options available, you will want to focus on the Sales section. Look towards the left sidebar and click on Sales. This section will give you access to several important features related to your financial activities. In the sales area, your next step is to select invoices. Clicking on invoices will direct you to a list of all your current invoices. This section is where you will find the invoice you want to mark as paid. Browse through this list until you find the specific invoice that you've received payment for. This interface is intuitive and designed to help you easily locate your documents. Once you have identified the correct invoice, the next action is to click on Receive Payment. This option will allow you to record the payment received against the invoice selected, effectively updating its status. Proceeding to mark payments within QuickBooks not only keeps your accounting books updated, but also assures you have an accurate record of your transactions for future reviews. After you click on Receive Payment, you will be directed to a new screen where you'll input the payment details. Make sure all the necessary payment information is accurate, from the payment date to the amount received. Doing this correctly ensures that your records remain consistent with your actual financial activities. Once you're content with the details you've entered, the next and crucial action is to click on Save and Close. By doing this, QuickBooks will store all the information you've just inputted and update the invoice status to Paid. This step is quite significant because it helps your accounting system reflect the most current status of your financial transactions. Finally, don't forget to send a confirmation to the recipient. While this step is not mandatory from a data entry perspective, it's generally a good practice to inform your clients or customers that their payment has been received and recorded. This not only demonstrates professionalism, but also acts as a safeguard to ensure that both parties have the same understanding of the transaction's completion. And there you go, you have successfully marked an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online. By mastering these steps, you make the process of financial management much simpler, allowing for better focus on the strategic elements of your business or personal finances. Remember, efficient and accurate bookkeeping is key to successful financial management, and QuickBooks Online offers robust tools to make this task straightforward. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope these instructions have been clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave comments or watch any of our other QuickBooks related videos. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be handling your QuickBooks activities like a pro. Until next time.